here at Rivatex, it's a complete textile mill. Sometimes referred to as a vertically integrated textile mill. So we are doing products all the way from yarn to a garment. We receive lint, that is fibers from cotton, and ultimately we get, or rather we churn out garments. The company is having completely new machines, new machinery, new technology, and also young and vibrant workforce. The products which are making now are quite diverse. We have 4 key divisions or 4 key sections for a production line. First one is called spinning. Spinning is just twisting fibers to make yarn. So that is the first process we carry out here. The next process is we get that yarn, we interlace to make a cloth. From the cloth that is being made in weaving, as the second division, it goes to the third division called processing. Processing is where we get that cloth from weaving, add value to it, either by dyeing or putting it, having color on it, or printing fancy designs. Maybe for kanga, you've seen kanga or bed sheets, very fancy prints. You do printing, and also there are some fabrics required to be maybe in white form. So we bleach that to make it white. And now the last one, we take the finished fabric from processing division and we make garments in the fashion and apparel section. So that is the entire process what we are carrying out. Key factor has been addressing the issue of cotton being grown in Kenya. At the moment, we are supporting farmers across the country to plant cotton with the help of the national government. Through Rivatex, we are sensitizing farmers to plant cotton. We are issuing seeds free to farmers and the best quality seeds to farmers to plant cotton. Every year, now together, we call ourselves cotton, textile and apparel value chain. Different actors coming in together. Other companies, ministry, and other private institutions and the government institutions coming together. Together we are going across the country, sensitizing farmers and also supporting farmers to plant cotton. That, which was a challenge for us in getting raw materials locally, we're trying to address by enabling farmers to plant cotton locally. Truly, there are a number of achievements. Let me point out one. Let me just point out a number of them. List one has been creation of employment. Direct employment, which cumulatively, because we have even our shops outlets across the country, cumulatively is a number of employees being employed here directly, and also indirectly, the farmers who are planting cotton. You can imagine one acre of land will give you 1 bale of cotton. Our plant is able to consume 70 bales, at least 70 bales of cotton in a day. So in a day, technically, you clear like 70 acres of cotton. And most of our farmers are having an average of 1 acre or an average of 1 acre. So you are like employing now like 70 farmers in a day. And most important again, which I believe it is properly anchored in the education sector, is provision of skill development. What you're doing as offering internship and also attachment opportunities. In a year, you're doing more than, like in a season, doing more than 300 students being attached, which is a very, very massive sector in terms of training, inspiring the young people. Every week on Friday, we're having pupils from primary school all through, and even students from colleges coming here just to visit the industry, to appreciate what is going on. For the first time, some people are seeing, and they're inspired even to think of, can we make an industry? Remember, the government is now so much into like developing CAIPs, the county aggregation and industrial parks. Those ones are very key in terms of having small industries within the parks. So the fact that there is an influence by just observing, it is an impactful element. Like one will think of, I can put up an industry, let's say for making socks. We just require, there's yarn here. You just come here and buy yarn. That import is gradually being reduced because of what you are producing here. So in essence, it saves the country a lot in terms of whatever we are importing into the country by the company producing it locally, which is being done. clothing is a basic need, and having a clothing being a basic need, should we buy from a Kenyan company, will be promoting Kenya, and ultimately individually will grow, let's say from the farm level, cotton being bought by the company, and same time as a country in general, because we'll use importation. So I wish and I encourage every Kenyan and also foreigner coming here in Kenya to buy from our local textile factories, and more especially from Rivatex. Then we all grow.